touch feels warm and true, like all my dreams begin with you. You hold me close and I believe you're everything I'll ever need. But then the silence fills the air. I reach for you, you're hardly there. The spark we had seems far away, and my heart keeps asking every day.